Hi, today I will show you how an app called Alternate File Shredder works. Alternate File Shredder is a simple to use and effective app that allows you to permanently delete files from your PC, to prevent other users from recovering them with specialized tools. It features some advanced settings that can be easily changed. After a short and uneventful installation procedure, you will be greeted by a regular box with a clear structure, which represents the interface of Alternate File Shredder. You can add files and folders to your task list by dropping them into the main frame while browsing disk locations, and you can control the name, format, and date, along with the time and date of each item. Before proceeding with the shredding operation, you can ask Alternate File Shredder to overwrite the data with random information and destroy the file names. This will make it even more difficult for other users to try to recover the files, bypass the write protection, if available, and disable confirmation deletion. You can also choose the number of iterations and clear free space to prevent recovery or already deleted items. There were no problems whatsoever during my testing, thanks to the fact that Alternate File Shredder doesn't freeze, crash, or display error messages. Deleting files takes a reasonable time and uses little CPU and memory, so it doesn't hinder system performance. Furthermore, it allows you to review the information recorded with the program's activity. All in all, Alternate File Shredder comes with powerful and easy to use options to securely delete files and folders. See you next video, and now some music.